What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I am so excited for this next tutorial that I'm going to be showing you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on that notification bell for more tutorials in the future. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Jay, aka Barber King Jay. So yeah, let's get right into it. Here we are starting off with a 6-guard closed. Just like from our previous video, we will start off with a no guard close using the arc technique. By opening up the lever, we will then make our second guideline. Using a number 1 guard open, we will then create our third guideline. This technique is called clipper over comb. What I'm initially doing is getting rid of any loose hair or just pretty much any hair that is sticking out of the ordinary. This part is very crucial. There's a possibility that you can actually create a bald spot in its hair. We will then use a half guard open to start getting rid of the lines. Go ahead and close your lever and start knocking off the second line. By opening and closing the lever, also known as a trigger plane, we will then get rid of the last line. We're pretty much using the same steps like we did in the rear taper. Here I am using my 1.5 guard open to get rid of the bulk. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do so, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys want to see more content in the future, go ahead and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon.